Oh, hold on. No, no, push the buttons.
Yeah, I thought it was turning it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the red light button. I have a GoPro. Alright.
It's set to the video, though.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Hey, on the bike, hey! You're good. You got cover on you.
Oh my god.
You got a.
That scared the shit out of me. Okay, watch this up right now.
Hey, where's that spawn?
Back where we first were. Ow. Where is he over there?
I don't see anyone. See if I can draw him out.
Oh.
If they're in there, right in those, in that building. Because one of our guys just got hit.
Like over here?
Yeah, in the gray building.
Okay. They're all gray though. I know what you mean though.
Yeah, we're on respawn. We're on respawn. Those our guys going? Oh, one guy just
moved
all the way back to the corner.
Okay. So they're in the center building now.
No.
Oh, far.
The
The red.
far corner.
Fuck my shoelaces. Okay, we gotta do something, guys.
All right, I'll move in a SWAT.
Okay.
One on the gas station.
They get respawns?
No, he's out.
They get respawns?
Yeah, he just respawned.
No, do they do?
No.
Cover me?
One life in this zone.
I think that's my gun just went off.
I saw one guy at the yellow, at the taxi at the gas station. Is that a CZ75?
CZ75. Oh, yeah. What? Oh, you're good. Go.
Go. Yeah. Is that a friendly in the ball? Make sure it's a friendly.
That's... Where?
Is that?
I don't know. Yeah, you're friendly. Okay, good. Yeah. Scare the crap out of you. Move up. Okay, they're pushing up on the far right.
Yep, push it.
Let's move,
Push, push! God,
oh, wait. I can't... Holy crap! They ran right in!
Destroy them!
Push! I'll take bank.
Check ball, check ball! Check bank. Check bank. Go on, Mark, clear? Yes, clear!
Clear!
Clear! That's good! Woo! Woo!
Yeah!
That goes good! What's our time? 3 minutes! Oh!
Yeah!
We can do it! Is that a new record? Fucking right! The dream team right here. Yeah, that's a new record, isn't it?
Well, it's definitely a new record.